You will find this exact message on this slide on the Homestar website, which you can confirm in the description area. Please be aware that companies are not allowed to pay Homestars in order to manipulate or delete their reviews. Every review is thoroughly moderated to prevent any fraudulent or fake reviews. What do new and repeat customers have to say about Diamond Custom Shutters Inc? Nothing but great honest feedback. Many are repeat customers over and over again who truly appreciate our excellent sales, service and workmanship. On August 24, 2024, a customer used DC shutters in their previous homes and in their most recent purchase, which were installed in August. Allan and his team are absolute professionals when it comes to customer service, ensuring product quality and expert installation. In our previous homes, 6+ years later, the shutters still looked and functioned as well as they did the day they were installed. If you are looking for shutters, look no further than DC Shutters. We highly recommend them. They gave DC Shutters a 10 out of 10, and over 272 others have also done the same. The company's response was, "Thank you for the wonderful recommendation and review. We always aim to please our customers. Thank you for choosing Diamond Custom Shutters Inc. Any blind, shutter or window shade treatment project, big or small, we will do them all." Discover what over 272 clients have to say about the professionalism and skilled craftsmanship of Diamond Custom Shutters Inc. These are just some of hundreds of projects we've completed for our loyal customers. We are grateful to all those who have contributed to the establishment of Diamond Custom Shutters, which has now been a successful and well-respected company for 27 years. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone for your services and have a great day.